turning your worst garden weed into free liquid fertilizer or liquid compost. Sometimes we have these weeds just growing wild. Sometimes we have some vines that growing so wild and we cannot stand them because they try to take over our plant. There's some of the most valuable plants you can use to make compost is the ones that push their roots very deep. The ones that push their roots so deep, the plants that push their roots so deep, that sucks the nutrient from the soil and push it through their leaf. That's why we recommend fresh leaf from trees, from your plants. Also the weeds that grows up in our garden. Sometimes we use back some of the vegetables that we grow, potato, anything that we grow, we also add in our composting, and this is the result. Guys, you don't need a 55-gallon drum to make composting. You could use a 5-gallon bucket, you could use a 3-gallon bucket, whatever you have, make it work, guys. So these are all type of weeds that I pick up from in my garden, and here goes my liquid composting, and it's beautiful. The scent is amazing. The scent is not any joke. But if you notice, you're gonna see down inside there, you're gonna see all that start forming. All this is just creating super fertilizer, and just allow it to break down. Just leave it for months and months and let it break down really good. Then this gonna become super food for your plant. So don't